Children, today in practical geometry chapter 4 we shall start with the second part of the first question of exercise 4.4. Okay, here we have to construct a quadrilateral JUMP such that JU is 3.5 centimeters, UM is 4 centimeters, MP is 5 centimeters, PJ is 4.5 centimeters and PU is 6.5 centimeters. ठीक है, तो हम एक कोई भी रफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल बना लेते हैं अपनी मर्जी से. ठीक है, उसका नाम हम दे देते हैं JUMP. JUMP. ठीक है, अब देखो JU 3.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है तो यहाँ हम लिख देंगे 3.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. UM 4 सेंटीमीटर्स है तो UM हम लिखेंगे 4 सेंटीमीटर्स. MP 5 सेंटीमीटर्स है तो ये रहा MP, इसको लिखेंगे हम 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. PJ 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है तो इसको हम लिख देंगे 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. फिर दिया है PU 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. PU 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स का मतलब क्या हो गया, ये PU 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, ये हमारा क्या बन गया, ये हमारा है रफ फिगर जो हमें एक रफ आइडिया देगा कि हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल किस तरह कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. राइट, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे JU 3.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके, सो वी हैव टेकन द स्केल. Now we draw JU equal to 3.5. See here, this is the 3.5 mark and this is the 0 mark. Okay, so I have drawn this JU as 3.5 centimeters. Name it J and U and write 3.5 centimeters. All right, now with J as center and radius 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स वी ड्रॉ एन आर्क. ठीक है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम मेजर करेंगे सबसे पहले 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ये देखो 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का मार्क, तो हम कंपास से इसको मेजर करते हैं. ये हमारा हो गया देखो 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का मार्क. अब हम इसको कंपास को भी place at J and with radius 4.5 centimeters we draw an arc. All right, now see, this UP is PU is 6.5 centimeters, so we measure on the scale 6.5 centimeters. See here, this is 6.5 centimeter mark on the scale, so we measure here 6.5. This is C, 6.5. Now we put the compass at U and the radius is 6.5 centimeter. We draw an arc. These two arcs, they intersect at point P. This point is P. You mark this point as P. All right. Now what you do, you mark PJ. You join PJ, not mark PJ, you join PJ and you join PU. ठीक है, now PJ is how much, PJ was 4.5, you write here 4.5 centimeters, right, and PU 6.5, so you write here 6.5 centimeters. All right, now see here, this UM is 4 centimeter. Again you take the scale, measure the radius, how much, 4 centimeters. See, 4 centimeter mark is here, so you measure 4 centimeters here. See, this is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Now put your compass at U, क्योंकि this is 4 centimeters with U as center and radius 4 centimeters. You draw an arc. Okay. Now PM is 5 centimeters. So measure 5 centimeters. See, this is 5 centimeter mark. This is 5 centimeter mark. You place it here and measure. See, this is 5 centimeter mark. Now PM is 5 centimeter. So put your compass at P and radius 5 centimeters. You draw this arc. Alright. Now what you do? These two arcs intersect at which point? Point M. Okay. Mark this point as M. Okay. Now you join PM. Join PM and join UM. Okay. So you get the required quadrilateral constructed. Write the measurements. This is 4 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Okay. Let us check it with the steps of construction. Draw a line segment JU 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter. Now with J as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. With J as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, you have drawn an arc. Now with U as a center and radius 6.5 centimeters, draw another arc. With U as a center and radius 6.5 centimeters, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point P. Intersecting the previous arc at point P. Join JP and UP. Join JP and UP. Now with U as a center. Now with U as a center and radius 4 centimeter and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc. You draw this arc. Okay. Now also with P as a center. With P as a center and radius 5 centimeters. Okay. Draw another arc. This arc. Like this. Intersecting the previous arc at point M. Intersecting the previous arc at point M. Now join UM and PM. Join UM and PM. Thus JUMP is the required quadrilateral constructed. Thus this is the required quadrilateral constructed. Is this clear, children? Okay. Now we shall take up the third part of the question in this. The third part of the question is you have to construct a parallelogram MORE, M-O-R-E, where OR is 6 centimeters, RE is 4.5 centimeters and EO is 7.5 centimeters. Alright. So again we shall draw a four-sided figure. Parallelogram is a four-sided figure. We draw four-sided figure. In which OR is this much. So we make it M, O, R and E. Alright. It is given OR is 6 centimeters. Mark OR as 6 centimeters. RE is 4.5 centimeters. Okay. And OE, this OE is 7.5 centimeters. ठीक है. तो ये हमारा है रफ फिगर. रफ फिगर में कोई ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि आपने वैसा ही सेम टू सेम पैरेललोग्राम की शेप बनानी. दिस इज जस्ट अ रफ आइडिया. ठीक है. अब एक चीज़ और है. जो पैरेललोग्राम होता है इसके ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. ये इक्वल टू ये इक्वल टू ये. ठीक है. तो अगर ये 6 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये भी 6 सेंटीमीटर होगा. अगर ये 4.5 है तो ये भी 4.5 होगा. ठीक है. अब now we construct the figure. Now see here. OR is 6 centimeters. So see here, this is the 6 centimeter mark. So I draw length of 6 centimeter, that is the line segment OR equal to 6 centimeters. This is OR, which is equal to 6 centimeters. All right. Now it is given RE is 4.5. So RE is 4.5. So with R as this is 4.5 centimeter mark. Measure this. ठीक है, ये देखो 4.5. तो with R as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, you draw an arc. Clear? Now this OE is 7.5 centimeters. So take the radius 7.5 centimeters. See, this is 7.5 mark. So you measure this one, 7.5. See here. Now OE is 7.5 means with O as a center and radius 7.5 centimeters, you draw another arc. This is intersecting the previous arc at point E. This point is E. Okay. So you join RE and join OE. And join OE. ठीक है. So this is 4.5 centimeters and this is 7.5 centimeters. Okay. Since it is a parallelogram, if this side is 6 centimeters, so this side also has to be 6 centimeters. ठीक है. So what we will do, we will take the radius of 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters radius. Okay. Now with E as a center and radius 6 centimeters, we draw an arc. Alright. Now this is 4.5 centimeters. So this side also is 4.5 centimeters since it's a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal. So now we measure 4.5 centimeters. So this is C, 4.5 mark is here. Measure this one, C, 4.5. So OM is 4.5. So with O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, we draw another arc. These two arcs intersect at point M. ठीक है. Let this point be M. Alright. Now we join OM and we join ME. So we get the required figure MORE, which is our quadrilateral and a parallelogram of required measurements. ठीक है. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw a line segment OR equal to 6 centimeters. OR is 6 centimeters. Now with R as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. With R as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Again with O as a center and radius 7.5 centimeters, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point E. So with O as a center and radius 7.5 centimeters, drawn another arc which is intersecting this arc at point E. Now join OE and RE. Join OE and RE. Again with E as a center and radius 6 centimeters. Radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc. ठीक है. Now with O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters. With O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point M. With O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point M. Join EM and OM. Join EM and OM. Thus MORE is the required quadrilateral constructed. That is our parallelogram. Is this clear? Okay. Now let us come to the fourth part of this question. the fourth part of this question is we have to construct a rhombus BEST where BE is 4.5 centimeter and ET is 6 centimeters. Okay. Let us draw the rough figure. Suppose this is a rhombus. Okay. BEST. We write BEST. Okay. It is given BE is 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, तो रॉम्बस है तो इसका मतलब सारे 4.5 ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, तो सारे 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स हैं, ये भी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है. और क्या दिया है, ET इज 6 सेंटीमीटर्स. ये देखो, दिस ET, दिस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अवर रफ फिगर. दिस रफ फिगर गिव्स अस द आइडिया हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द actual figure. So now we start. Let us draw BE equal to 4.5 centimeters. ठीक है, तो ये देखो 4.5 का मार्क कहाँ पे है, ये रहा 4.5 का मार्क. तो let us draw a line segment BE equal to 4.5 centimeters. BE, this is equal to 4.5 centimeters. ठीक है, अब see here, this is 6 centimeters. ठीक है, so what we do, we take the radius 6 centimeters. Now see the 6 centimeter mark. 6 centimeter mark is here. Place the tip of the compass here and measure 6 centimeters. Now see here, this is 6 centimeters. All right, now with E as a center and radius 6 centimeters, you draw an arc. Is this clear? This I have drawn. Okay, now with B as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, you have to draw this. BT is 4.5, so measure 4.5 here. See, this is 4.5. 4.5 mark is here, and see here. All right, now with B as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw another arc. ठीक है, which intersects the previous arc at point T. This is the point of intersection. All right, now what you do, you join ET and BT. ठीक है, join ET and BT. Clear? Write the measurement. This is 4.5 centimeters and this was 6 centimeters. ठीक है, now see here, this is also 4.5 centimeters. Okay, ये देख लो, हम यहीं से मेजर कर लेते हैं. ये रेडियस देखो, ये 4.5 है, राइट. तो अब ES 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है, तो विद E एज अ सेंटर एंड रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स, वी ड्रॉ वन आर्क. ओके, नाउ देखो TS भी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स है, तो विद T एज अ सेंटर एंड द रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर्स, वी ड्रॉ अनदर आर्क. लेट दीज टू आर्क्स intersect at point S. Okay, so let us join now ES and TS. ये रहा हमारा ES को ज्वाइन करते हैं. ओके, एंड नाउ वी ज्वाइन TS. ठीक है, राइट द मेजरमेंट्स. 4.5 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. Thus we get the quadrilateral, which is a rhombus of the given measurements. Okay, now let's see the steps of constructions. Draw line segment BE 4.5 centimeter. BE is 4.5 centimeter. With B as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. With B as a center and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Now with E as a center and radius 6 centimeters, Draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point T. With E as a center and radius 6 centimeters, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at point T. ठीक है. Join BT and ET. Join BT and ET. Now with T and ES centers. Now with T and ES centers and radius 4.5 centimeter and radius 4.5 centimeters. Draw two arcs. यहाँ से ये वाला और यहाँ से ये वाला. Two arcs intersecting each other at point C. At point S. At point S. Then join ES and TS. Join ES and TS. Thus BEST is the required quadrilateral constructed. Thus BEST is the required quadrilateral constructed, which is our rhombus. Alright. So this completes our exercise 4.1. With this I wind up my class. In the next class I shall take up exercise 4.2.